Picture this. Saudi Arabia just announced that their AI company, Humane, now runs its entire payroll department with just one human employee. One person doing the work that used to require an entire team. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. While Saudi Arabia pours nearly $1 trillion into becoming an AI superpower, workers worldwide are watching entire departments get replaced by artificial intelligence. From HR to finance, from legal to IT operations, Humane is proving that AI can eliminate jobs faster than anyone imagined. The company's CEO proudly announced that AI agents now handle what human workers used to do. And this is just the beginning. As countries race to dominate the AI market, the human cost is becoming crystal clear. Real people are losing their livelihoods to machines that never sleep, never take breaks, and never ask for raises. What does this massive AI investment mean for workers around the world? Saudi Arabia's trillion-dollar bet on artificial intelligence represents more than just technological advancement. It's a preview of the workplace transformation coming for all of us. The kingdom is using its oil wealth to build Humane, an AI company that's already replacing human workers with artificial intelligence agents. Their success story of reducing entire departments to single employees isn't unique to Saudi Arabia. This is the playbook that companies worldwide are starting to follow. When a nation invests this heavily in AI infrastructure, building 6 gigawatts of data center capacity by 2034, they're not just creating technology. They're creating tools that will fundamentally change how work gets done everywhere. The cheap energy that powers Saudi Arabia's AI ambitions will make their artificial intelligence solutions more cost-effective than human labor in many industries. Let's look at Amazon, a company that perfectly demonstrates how AI automation affects workers on a massive scale. Amazon has been systematically replacing human workers with AI and robotics across multiple departments, from warehouse operations to customer service. In their fulfillment centers, Amazon has deployed over 500,000 robots working alongside human employees, but the trend is clear. More robots mean fewer human jobs needed. The company's AI-powered customer service systems now handle millions of inquiries that previously required human representatives. Amazon's Alexa for Business has automated countless administrative tasks that office workers used to perform manually. Their machine learning algorithms now handle inventory management, demand forecasting, and supply chain optimization, roles that once employed thousands of analysts and coordinators. What makes Amazon's approach particularly relevant to the Saudi AI story is scale and integration. Just like Humane is building a complete AI ecosystem, Amazon has created an interconnected system where AI touches every aspect of their operations. When Amazon automates a process, it doesn't just affect one job, it transforms entire workflows. The company has been transparent about this transformation, with executives acknowledging that while they create new types of jobs, they're eliminating traditional roles at a much faster pace. Amazon's approach shows us exactly what happens when a company fully embraces AI. Dramatic efficiency gains, massive cost savings, and significant workforce displacement. This is the same playbook that Saudi Arabia's Humane is following, but with the backing of a sovereign wealth fund and national-level ambitions. Like Saudi Arabia's Humane building AI infrastructure with AWS partnership, Amazon represents the established player whose AI automation directly affects workers through job changes, warehouse robotics, and evolving skill demands. The numbers behind the global AI workforce transformation are staggering and deeply concerning for working people everywhere. According to McKinsey Global Institute, AI automation could displace up to 800 million jobs worldwide by 2030. That's roughly 30% of the global workforce. In the United States alone, the Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that AI will eliminate approximately 73 million jobs over the next decade, while creating only 26 million new positions. That's a net loss of 47 million jobs for American workers. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report indicates that 85 million jobs may be displaced by AI by 2025, with administrative and data processing roles facing the highest risk. Saudi Arabia's massive AI investment represents just one country's contribution to this global trend. But when a nation with nearly $1 trillion in sovereign wealth commits to AI dominance, it accelerates job displacement worldwide. The International Labor Organization estimates that AI adoption could reduce global employment by 14% within the next 15 years. Manufacturing workers face a 45% probability of job displacement, while office and administrative support workers face a 40% risk. Even traditionally safe professional roles aren't immune. Legal assistants face a 35% displacement risk, financial analysts 30%, and human resources specialists 25%. These aren't just statistics on a spreadsheet, they represent millions of families facing economic uncertainty. The ripple effect is massive. When countries like Saudi Arabia can produce AI solutions using cheap energy and massive computing power, they can export these job-displacing technologies globally at prices that make human workers economically unviable. The ripple effects of Saudi Arabia's AI ambitions extend far beyond their borders, creating a cascade of challenges for workers everywhere. When nations compete to become AI superpowers, they drive down the global cost of automation, making it economically attractive for companies worldwide to replace human workers. This creates downward pressure on wages across entire industries. Workers who manage to keep their jobs often find themselves competing not just with other humans, but with AI systems that work 24/7 without benefits, sick days, or vacation time. The result is wage stagnation and deteriorating working conditions as employers gain unprecedented leverage. Career paths that once offered stability and growth are disappearing. Traditional progression from entry-level to management positions becomes impossible when AI handles most routine tasks and data analysis. Young workers entering the job market face a particularly harsh reality. Many entry-level positions that previous generations used as stepping stones no longer exist. The demand for retraining and education is exploding, but the burden falls disproportionately on workers themselves. Companies rarely invest in comprehensive retraining programs when it's cheaper to hire already skilled workers or implement AI solutions. This creates a vicious cycle where displaced workers struggle to afford the education they need to remain employable. Geographic inequality is intensifying as AI development concentrates in wealthy regions and countries. While Saudi Arabia builds its AI infrastructure, workers in developing nations face the double threat of job displacement and lack of access to retraining resources. Even in developed countries, rural and economically disadvantaged communities are being left behind as AI-related opportunities cluster in expensive urban centers. The psychological toll on workers is severe, but often overlooked. Job insecurity, constant fear of replacement, and the stress of continuous retraining create mental health challenges that ripple through families and communities. As we watch Saudi Arabia transform its oil wealth into AI dominance, we're witnessing a pivotal moment in the history of work. The kingdom's success in reducing entire departments to single employees isn't just their achievement, It's a preview of challenges facing workers everywhere. This technological revolution is happening whether we're ready or not, and the countries and companies with the deepest pockets are setting the pace. The question isn't whether AI will transform work, it's whether we'll have any say in how that transformation affects real people's lives. Saudi Arabia's massive investment represents both the promise and the peril of our AI future. While the technology offers incredible possibilities, the human cost demands our attention and action. For workers watching these developments, the message is clear. Adaptation isn't optional anymore, it's survival. The future of work is being written right now, and it's up to all of us to ensure that human dignity and economic security remain part of that story. Thanks for watching Tech News Observer. Subscribe to stay informed about how these technological shifts affect real people like you.